Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda slash the boss. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Happy holidays from my family to yours. This video is sponsored by Dossier, Javy Coffee. In today's video, I am going to share with you our home tour for Christmas 2021. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Bonne fête Noël, des familles Pam à famille Paul. Let's get started. Welcome to our entryway. This beautiful painting is from Home Goods. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your love and support. Keep on watching. A big thank you to Javy Coffee for sponsoring a portion of this video. The link will be in my description box down below. This is the new flavor they have right now for this Christmas. It tastes so good. I just love Javy Coffee. You don't need any coffee machine. Just mix it with your favorite drink. Boom, you'll have your cup of coffee. They have so many flavors for you to choose from the website. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get it done like a boss. I try to keep the dining room very simple for my guests and my family. As you can see, I don't have any Christmas decor on the bookshelves, any Christmas tree in the dining room. On the shelves, I just add a couple of bottles instead of decor pieces. A big thank you to Dossier for sponsoring a portion of this video. The link will be in my description box down below and the discount code. Guys, Dossier is a perfect gift for this Christmas. Luxury for less. I just love the packaging. Very well packaged. On their website, they have several different scents for you to choose from. As you can see, I have MFK. MFK is a very expensive perfume and it smells absolutely amazing. Dossier have the similar one. I choose to compare them. You can have the same one at dossier.com for less. The link will be in my description box down below and your discount code. Now keep on watching to see my 2021 Christmas home tour.
Hurry now, should have been done by now. Seems we're running late. Let's put the food on the table, fast as we're able. Guests are coming at 8. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up. shine on. Simmer down, pass a big smile around, now that everything is gold. The children hunker down to see what's hidden beneath the Christmas tree. Look but not touch, they're told. When we're caught in the Christmas rush, it's so easy to lose touch with the true meaning of things and what really matters. Just look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on. Look up in the December night. There is one star shining bright. It shines on one and all. On this cold December night, there is one star shining bright, and it shines for you and me. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star. Shine on, Christmas star.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red delight with glimmering silver white. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. Take me away, Christmas Day.
It's early Christmas morning when Santa rolls out of bed. He rubs his tired eyes and lifts his weary head. He knows the day before him from so many times before. It's what he loves the most and will do forevermore. Oh, but no one's ever thought to ask what's in his heart. And if even Santa Claus has hopes and dreams, he goes into the workshop that's been burning the midnight oil. He greets all the busy helpers in the midst of their toil. He looks into the progress, and it seems as every year they'll be cutting it close, but that's just how it goes. Of that he has no fear. Oh, but no one's ever thought to ask what's in his heart. And if even Santa Claus has hopes and dreams, just for one day, if mankind would find a way to be at peace with one and all, his lonely call is Santa's only way. This lonely call is Santa's only way.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share. Oh, what a bliss. A green red the light with glimmering silver wine. You dazzle us all from big to small. Warm laughter and white smiles, my presents stacked in piles. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error.
Ok family, thank you so much for stopping by. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay, kijanouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for clicking in this video. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Male, peace out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friends and your family. Happy holidays from my family to yours. The boss is back.